The Anti-Corruption Front says that if the 19th Amendment to the Constitution is not implemented, the Prime Minister needs to take responsibility for it. This view was expressed at a press conference convened in Colombo today.
We believe that the arbitrary powers need to be abolished. That needs to happen. In addition, the use of unnecessary powers through the commissions need to be balanced and disciplined. Third, we need to forget the proportional voting system and move for the mixed election system. If there is an election in the future, all three constitutional reforms need to take place. It is in this backdrop that we are supporting the national government. All ministers must be audited. That has not happened as yet. Without a proper monitoring system, the thieves cannot be caught.
කළමනාකරන විගණනයකට යන්න තවම ඒක කරලා නැහැ. කළමනාකරන විගණනයක් නැතුව හොරු අල්ලන්න බෑ. සාකච්ඡා කරලා ඇති කරගන්නා එකඟතාවයන්.
If agreements reached are being violated, if agreements change based on personal agendas, and if clauses and words change, then there is no trace of good governance. Ranil Wickremesinghe was given the post of Prime Minister to provide leadership through a people's rule. If he is attempting to engage in another form of politics, he will not be able to achieve that within this parliament. If he is operating in a manner which creates conflicts, we see that as a constitutional conspiracy. There is no room for conspiracies within good governance. There is reasonable doubt whether those within the government itself are attempting to sabotage this process of amending the constitution. If the amendment fails in parliament, he needs to take complete responsibility for it, because he was vested with this responsibility.
ඒකේ සම්පූර්ණ වගකීම එතුමා බාර ගන්නවා. මොකද එතුමටයි මේ වගකීම පැවරුවේ. කැබිනට් එකේ කතා කරන්න එකක්.
They speak of one thing in the cabinet and another thing in the parliamentary sessions. What is this joke? We are a group which work towards safeguarding and bringing the truer sense of good governance. I need to clearly state that if there are any attempts to undermine this, we are ready to fight.
සටන් කරන්න ලෑස්ති කියන එක මේ අවස්ථාවේදී අපි කියන්න කැමතියි.